guys, we've almost made it to our room here, room 4131. It's on the first floor of the center court section, building 4 at the All-Star Sports Resort here. So we're going to go ahead and tap in and take a look. Wow. I know it was probably 10 years ago, Therese and I first came to Disney World together, and we spent time, several trips in All-Star Sports Resort, and they really haven't changed a whole lot. It's kind of a throwback, brings back some memories, some old memories, and various trips. I don't know if there's any rooms on property like this anymore, but we're going to get going and go through it. And so real quickly, when you walk in there, you take a look to the left. You'll see you got your table, your 2 chairs. You have the old coffee maker with, you just, I guess, put a cup under there, and they still at least give you the 50th anniversary coffee there. Look to the left, you have your windows there. The old thermostats set to 68. Let's see if it'll go any lower. Nope, that's it. So got that going full speed. Have your trash and recycle bin there. Have plenty of light switches. You said it's got one switch there by the door, and we got a couple over the bed we'll get to in just a second. Therese beat me in here. She stopped and got us a bottle of wine, and you'll see there's a bit of a smaller TV there. Everything seems to be a little bit smaller in here, honestly. The TV's a little small, and then if you look down here, you got 3 drawers. So you do have some space to put clothes. You have your refrigerator down here, which is smaller than the newer refrigerators in the updated rooms, but you do have space to put canned drinks and things like that in there if you need to, but you're not gonna have a lot of extra space. We'll turn around here and look at the beds. You'll notice it is a 2 double bed room here, with the 1 large headboard. They don't have the hideaway or the Murphy beds yet. So hopefully when they start redoing these things, they'll get the carpeted flooring out of here like they tend to do, and they put a Murphy bed in and create some extra space. You don't have you'll notice you don't have like a dresser here with a lot of extra space. You do have a little bit on top, and really just a small table over there. But you see the old border, the different characters playing different sports along here. So that's kind of a throwback to the 90s or the early 2000s. As we go between the beds, you see between the beds, they do have the old remote control there for sanitizing, and wrapped up. Got your trusty Bible there. Basic 50th stuff. The one thing you'll notice missing also is that the plug-ins, there are fewer of them. For instance, there are no plug-ins here near or in between the beds. There's just one on each side there, one there, and if we make our way over here, you'll see there's one on this side of the bed here. And there's no USB, so if you're going to stay in these, you need to make sure that you bring a power block to plug things into charge. And last but not least, we'll open up the curtain here, and you'll notice we have the sink, not an overly large sink. We have a place to hang some clothes, got a little extra shelf up here for some things. The safe is not an electric safe, it's still an old key safe, and you'll see if you lose that key, they'll charge you $35, so leave that there unless you need to take it with you. You do have your ironing board and your iron there if you need it. Again, you have this curtain for privacy, and then you have your full-length mirror here in the door. And as we take a look in the bathroom, you'll see the old tile. You'll notice the kind of dated tile work here in the shower, and also they have H2O pumps, and for your product if you like that. So anyway, shut this real quick, give you a look at the curtain, and that's going to about do it for this room tour. So anyway, man, it is different. You don't see any rooms around here hardly that look like this anymore. So we're going to enjoy the stay and probably do a good bit of reminiscing about some of our early trips to Disney World together when we first started coming. This is going to be a short stay for us, and so anyway, we're going to make the most of it. But if you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe, help our channel, and we're going to continue to do little things like this and give you room tours of different places when we can, and stay in touch, keep up to date. Thank you very much, and have a good day.